Well, here's the latest from the National Weather Service out of Grand Forks regarding our blizzard warning. A bit more on the timing. Significant holiday travel impacts are expected through this afternoon. Blizzard conditions, especially in open country. Dangerously cold wind chills between 35 below and 50 below. Life threatening conditions possible to those stranded. Again, blizzard warning for eastern North Dakota and western Minnesota through 6 p.m. today. Wind chill warning, as we said, wind chill advisory in effect for portions of northwest Minnesota. A little more on the timing here. Blizzard condition details through the afternoon, visibilities below 1/4 mile. Travel conditions will deteriorate this morning with highest impacts around midday. Blizzard conditions may rapidly change over short distances. Areas away from populated centers will see the highest chances for impacts. As we showed you earlier, road conditions out on Highway 2 between Grand Forks and Crookston already are not that good. Wind chill. Strong winds expected. Dangerously cold wind chills will occur through Saturday. Frostbite and hypothermia can occur in a very short amount of time on exposed skin. There you can see some of those forecasted wind chills across the area, dipping to nearly 50 below out there by New Rockford. So be careful out there. Again, travel conditions expected to deteriorate this morning with the highest impacts around midday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.